a crowd favorite and one of my most requested videos yet. Today, I am going to show you how to make honey bourbon black pepper at home. Let's get started. First, I'm grabbing black peppercorns and adding it to a clean glass jar. Then I'm grabbing my bourbon of choice. Today, I'll be using Jack Daniel's Honey Bourbon. I'm going to pour the bourbon all over the peppercorns so that they are fully covered in liquid. I'm going to put the lid on and then give it a quick shake. This is going to start the infusion process. I'll be infusing these peppercorns for 24 hours. 24 hours later, it is now time to strain. I'm adding my peppercorns to a paper towel to remove any extra moisture, and then I'll be dehydrating them for about an hour and 15 minutes. You can use a cheesecloth and sit them in the sun, or you can pop them into your oven if you don't have a dehydrator. So let's take a moment to focus on our black pepper infused honey bourbon liquid. There is so much that you can use this for. You can add this to soups, salad dressings, barbecue sauce, pastas, marinades, stews, broths, alcoholic beverages for spice, spaghetti sauce, steaks, add it to your vegetable glaze or any type of sauce that you have. You can even make a honey bourbon black pepper sauce like this one. Look how easy it is to add to your barbecue sauce for a kick. All right, so back to our honey bourbon black pepper. Now that it is dehydrated, I'm going to add it to my blender. You have the option of blending it to a very fine consistency, or you can make it coarse. I prefer coarse black pepper, so I'm going to use the pulse setting on my blender so that I can monitor the consistency. And there you have it. We just made honey bourbon coarse black pepper at home. You can use this seasoning to enhance the flavor of just about anything. Try it on your salads, encrust your meats with it, add it to your deli meat for a cracked black pepper taste. Dirty rice, vegetables, macaroni and cheese, tacos, soups, sauces. This is by far my favorite thing to use in my recipes. Let's chat in the comments, like and follow for more. And check out my other videos where I teach you how to make your own homemade custom seasonings.